The best way to improve the drivability, performance and the overall noise of your four-wheel drive is a full exhaust. In the case of Andy's 150 series turbo diesel Prado you see next to me, we've opted for the full mandrel-bent 304 stainless steel Torqit exhaust, and it has absolutely transformed his car. We've seen gains of 12 kilowatts and 41 newton meters from just installing this exhaust. Being 304 stainless, it is seriously tough. It's also beautifully polished and fully mandrel bent. The flanges are laser cut 2 and 3 bolt flanges with a diesel specific high flow cat and a diesel specific high flow muffler. What more, the dump pipe that's got an EGT bung already in it is also titanium coated, so this thing is ready for business. What more, if you wanted to couple an exhaust like this with a Torqit power module and a Torqit throttle controller, you can expect to see gains of 41 kilowatts and 97 newton meters overall as a three-way package. It's a serious boost in power.